Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahviworld. Today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful earrings using crystal beads and seed beads. Before then, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do that. And if you are new to this channel, you're welcome. You're in the right place. Let's get started. I'm using size 2 seed beads and size 6 crystal beads. Here's my fishing line. I'm going to use 0.35. Can you see it written there? Then my cutter and a set of needle. This is a tiny needle strictly for bead making. I've succeeded in fixing my fishing line into the needle. I'm going to start with four crystal bead and 4 seed beads. I'm going to alternate them like this. Thereafter, I'm going to tie it like this in a circular form. I'm going to knot it twice. Then I'll pass the fishing line, the needle, through the next crystal bead close to the knot. Then pick 5 seed beads and jumping the crystal bead at the middle, passing it through the next seed bead like this. I'm going to repeat this process by picking 5, jumping the crystal and passing through the seed bead till I go around the circle.
This is Ahviworld. Ahviworld. This is Ahviworld.
Thereafter, I'm going to have this kind of design or pattern with 4 sharp edges, like a form of a star. So from that very point where I ended, I'm going to pass the fishing line through 3 beads upwards, 3 seed beads upwards, like these. Then I'm going to pick 5 beads, starting with seed beads. So I'm going to start seed, crystal, seed, crystal, seed. It means I will have 3 seeds and 2 crystal beads. Thereafter, I'm just going to pass them through each of those sharp edges. So just watch and see. Here's what you have after picking the 5 beads all together, then passing it through this edge like I said previously. Then I'm just going to repeat this process till I go around the 4 edges.
This is Ahviworld. This is Ahviworld.
Watch this last place very well. You can see I have I'm passing it through the second to last bead there. I'm not passing it through that seed bead that is close to the crystal because that was where I started. So thereafter I'll pass it through this seed bead again and start another form of design. This time around I'm going to pick 5 seed beads. After picking the 5, I'm going to pass it through the next seed bead, jumping that crystal bead at the middle. Can you see that? Pass it through this place like this. And I'll pick another 5 seed bead again, jumping that crystal bead at the middle, I'm passing it through this next point again. I'm going to repeat that process till I go round the circle.
This is Ahviworld. This is Ahviworld.
Here's what I have, like an octagon shape with 8 sides. So from that place I stopped, I'm simply going to pass my needle through 3 beads. If you count very well, you see that each of these crystals is surrounded with 7 beads each. So I'm simply going to pass it through 3 beads upwards like this. Then bypassing this fourth one at the middle, I'm going to bypass this. I'm not going to pass my needle through that. Then I'll pass through the next 3 again. Reason for doing that, so that that place will form a kind of a sharp edge like a triangle. So just watch and see what I'm saying. You can see that, you can see this sharpness showing already. So I'll also pass through the next one again, passing through 3, by passing the fourth one at the middle, then pass it through 3 down again. So I'm going to repeat this process till I go around this circle.
This is Ahviworld.
Here is the outcome I have, a very lovely triangular octagon shape design. So what I'm simply going to do now to end it, I'm just going to pick 6 seed beads, picking the earring stud at the middle and end with another 6 seed beads, then passing it through the next triangle. Isn't it lovely? Thereafter, from this very point, I'm going to tie it. I'm just going to tie it twice from here by passing my needle through one of the beads here. After passing, I'll simply twist my fishing around the needle twice in order to secure that place, then pull it out to make sure it's firm. Thereafter, I'll pass my needle back through the 6, passing it through the Eric stud again so that it can be at least double, then passing it through the seed beads, 6 seed beads downwards, then cut the fishing line. From there, I'm done. You can see how lovely it is. Very simple to make. Within a short time, I was able to make this. You can as well use this method to make a full neck bead design as well. If you have learned something new today, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more videos. I remain Ahviworld. Bye.